What's going on, Chosen One? It's your big brother Trent. You tuned in again to another exclusive video, man. This video is for chosen ones and chosen ones only. If you're not a chosen one, I wouldn't expect you to stay to this whole video. It's over with. You probably gonna click off because you a Decepticon. All right, I'm sorry. Only this video is only for the chosen ones only. And never mind me and my sombrero. I'm feeling like I want to eat tacos today. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my Colorado vibes today. They about to play too, you know what I'm saying? I'm in my Coach Prime vibes right about now. So I got something close to a cowboy hat, but I put on my sombrero, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'm on my Mexican vibes. But anyway, listen, man, this is gonna be some of the best advice you're gonna ever hear, man. And I keep saying this over and over and over again. But listen, y'all, this YouTube stuff, this YouTube platform is becoming more and more saturated. I'm pretty sure you don't realize it already. I'm pretty sure you done seen all the chosen people videos out there trying to make chosen ones videos and stuff like that. You know, chosen ones this and chosen ones that. Folks, y'all already know I pioneered that whole term. Pioneered it. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, my friend? Yeah, so like I said, this gonna either change your life, or you gonna just be a chosen one who never really got to tell your side of the story. Okay? And so I'm making this video to get you to know that now is the best time, if you're a chosen one, to tell your story and to start your own channel. Okay? You need to start your own channel. If you're a true chosen one, like you say you are, and you got all these experiences that you go through, you need to start your YouTube channel right now before the platform gets saturated. And it's already headed that way right now. You got everybody and their mama thinking they're supposed to do YouTube, but they really not even made for it like that. This platform is for people that's actually going through experiences, and they can explain the creativity of their very own life and not afraid to tell people about it. You know what I'm saying? And so if you just find yourself going through a lot of hardships, or, you know, you're going through struggles right now, financially, you know, socially, or whatever the case may be, you'll be surprised how many people out there would listen to what you have to say and be attracted to what you have to say. You might feel insignificant right now. You might say, you know what, I be by myself a lot. A lot of people don't like me, man. You know, I repel people away from me. I'm better off being a homebody. I'm better off being introverted by myself. You might say that, but believe it or not, I used to think the same way. Believe it or not, but it's a lot of people out there, if they heard you say what they going through, they will flock to you. They will come to you, and then you will eventually attract your soul tribe. If you keep this information inside, bottled up with a top on it, you feel me? If you keep shaking it up, if you keep shaking up a soda, eventually it's gonna explode. It's gonna burst. Okay? So I'm saying that to say this, like, you cannot continue to sit back and live this beautiful experience and this, you know, this super natural lifestyle that you live in, being that you are a chosen one, and not tell people about it out there who might be going through the same thing that you're going through. And if they heard you tell them and confirm to them, like I be telling y'all, I be like, listen, I'm confirming to you something that you already know. I'm not telling you something that you don't know. And what I tell you, you already done been through it. You know why? Because you are part of my soul tribe. But just think if you found your own soul tribe. You know what I mean? I don't want you to constantly be listening to me forever. You know, this whole mission that I'm on is about bringing you to the realization that you can too create your own soul tribe. You can create your own path and follow your own path and purpose of what you feel is right versus what's all wrong. You feel me? So I'm just making this video to let you know YouTube is an outlet for that. On this YouTube, I have became a better economically stable than I ever have been in my life, just because of this platform. I thank God for this platform. You know what I'm saying? I haven't had to worry about money like I used to worry about money because I can get up here and I can tell my side of the story. And it's very simple, okay? Chosen one, you should start a YouTube channel after this video is up. Now, I know some of you might not be, you might not be camera friendly. You might be shy. I know a lot of y'all girls out there be like, I ain't got my hair done, my nails done. Listen, y'all, it ain't about what you look like. It ain't about how you feel in front of a camera. It's about what you're going through. People need to hear what you're going through, okay? They need to hear your story. They need to hear your journey. And that's what people are looking for. It's so many people out there that's chosen ones too, and they don't have access to the truth that you bring because you're not out there telling them about it. You feel me? You have to put your voice out there, and you have to let your voice go out into the world and attract to you your soul tribe. Okay, you have to attract your soul tribe to you. And like I say, the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you speak up and you start telling people the things that you know and all your intelligence and all this wonderful stuff that you have seen in your life. Then they will come to you. Otherwise, you're going to be insignificant. Nobody's never going to hit. Nobody's going to never want to invest into you. Nobody's never going to care to know what you think. Nothing like that. But when you put yourself on this platform and you put yourself out there, man, you're going to be surprised how many people start to just... God gonna bring so many people to you by divine power. He gonna bring just so many people into your life because you actually spread in the light, okay? And that's what we need, y'all. We need as many people that's chosen to continue to spread this light in this world. We the only ones that can revitalize this world, y'all, okay? And like I said, me personally, YouTube did that for me. And I'm telling you, if you continue to wait to do this, and I know it's been on your heart lately. I know you've been thinking about this, like, yo, maybe some of you out there like, yo, what is there for me to do? What is my purpose? If that's you, this is your purpose. I'm telling you right now, I'm confirming it to you right now. This is your purpose. You need to be speaking and telling about your experiences. You need to get on YouTube. And now's the time to do it. Some of y'all been procrastinating on doing this forever. Okay, I talked about this so many times already. We already in September at the end of the year, already going into 2024. Are you gonna go into 2024 again with no purpose, with no word out here? Are you gonna go into 2024 still hurting financially? I mean, come on, what do you want to do, man? And see, I'm the guy. I'm that dude that you need to talk to about this stuff. See, I know how the algorithm works. I figured it out. You know what I'm saying? I figured out how the algorithm works. I see all these people out here making these chosen ones videos. So you might see people making chosen ones videos and stuff like that, folks, but they don't know how the algorithm works like I do. Okay? I'm the coach that you need to holler at. Okay? And so I got something very special for you. Since I'm feeling good today, I thought about this and I got something very special for you. I'm gonna cut you a deal. Okay? Listen. If you think that you're ready to start your own channel, your chosen one, I'll be saying y'all names out there, all these chosen this and 1, 2, 3, chosen one and chosen boy, and I'll be saying chosen girl. I'll be saying all y'all names and using names. I know y'all chosen ones, or at least you say you is. Okay? Well, it's time to get that platform started. Time to get that channel started. All right? And I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to know in order to succeed. See, once you do what I'm telling you to do, you ain't gonna have to go through all the struggle and stuff. I done did the work already for you. You feel me? I done did the hardship. I done did the time. You know what I'm saying, on here on this platform to understand how it works. Only thing you gotta do is just walk into it. Okay? You might say, "Big bro, what I need to do?" This is what you need to do. And again, folks, I'm gonna tell you, all these other chosen ones out here, you're going to skip past all them. You feel me? Because I'm going to teach you how the algorithm works. Now, if you watching me and you make chosen ones videos, but you have not did what I'm about to tell you, you need to do what I'm about to tell you, because I can put you on a game and I can tell you how to get to where you need to be as far as like your subscribers go and stuff like that. Because some of y'all is going to continue to struggle for the next 2 to 3 years because you don't know what I know. Okay, so if you make videos, chosen one videos, and you're not getting the type of views or listeners like you want to, do what I'm telling you to do and you're gonna get there. It's gonna be very easy. Now, the only thing you need to do is, I got this, since this is something that I do personally because I really love YouTube. I really love to talk about YouTube. That's my thing. I get off on talking about it. It turns me on when somebody talking about channels and stuff. It turns me on. I can talk to you all day about this stuff, y'all. I love this. And when I say I love this more than any relationship in my life. I love social media. I am a social media expert, okay? So it's nothing for me to help you elevate your stuff to the next level. You know, I can help you with your social media pages, all that, TikTok, Instagram. I'm that guy. Okay, I can get you all followers, whatever, views, whatever. But right now we're talking about YouTube. So what you got to do is this. You got to show me some appreciation in yourself, because I'm not messing with nobody that don't invest into themselves, because that's how I got here, and that's how you gonna get to where you need to go. You do not get nowhere off of nothing for free. It's not a handout. This ain't no shortcut. If once I see you invest in yourself and you take the time out to really, you know, once you take the time out to put your money where your mouth is, then I understand that language. Okay, if you just talking out the wishful thinking and stuff like that, I'm not even gonna have nothing to do with you. If you can pay your power bill and you can't invest into yourself, that's a problem. If you can go to the store and buy you some food to eat, but you can't invest into your business and your goals, that is a problem. All right. So you gotta, once you get my YouTube course, I designed it. I put a few golden nuggets in there, and I put a few videos in there that you're gonna have to watch. Okay, just go through the course. Take your time. It's not anything fancy. It's not anything super invaluable. Okay, but it's stuff that I experienced on my journey, and I put it all into this course because I wanted you to know what I didn't know inside of one course. You feel me? Now, this is where I'm gonna help you out at. Now, once you finish that course, because I'm gonna see if you signed up and I'm gonna see your email. Once you finish that course and I got your email, once you hit me up and say you finished that course, I'm gonna match it up with your email in the course. And if you got the course, I'm gonna give you a free 30-minute session with me, and I'm gonna go over everything that you went over in that course. And I'm gonna tell you some more extra stuff. I'm gonna tell you how to get how the algorithm work. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to get more views on your channel if you already got a channel. I'm gonna tell you the correct apps you need to download. And from that point on, you're gonna thank me later. You're gonna be financially free for the first time in your life. I can guarantee you 100,000%. If you get my YouTube course, and once you finish, you holler at me, I'm gonna give you a free 30-minute session. Now, y'all know my 30-minute session costs the same amount of price as my YouTube course. So I'm cutting you a break. You feel me? So once you talk to me, I can guarantee you, once you done talking to me and you go put everything I told you into play, this time next year, September next year, you won't be working for a soul. I know that for a fact. Man, you're gonna have money flowing into you. It's gonna be crazy, man. You're gonna have people, you're gonna have your own soul tribe. And see, you're gonna be better. You might do better things than me. What I'm doing, I'm just a blip of the chosen one. I'm just a small fraction. You understand? But you gotta bring your people that attract to your voice into the game. Okay? So again, this is for the real chosen ones that's ready to change their life, man. It's the end of the year. And you ready to get this thing popping, man. You want to tell your story, contact me. First get the course, then contact me. After that, I'm gonna talk to you and you can thank me later. Your whole life gonna change. Your whole life gonna change. I know the secret. I got the sauce. They don't. And ain't nobody on YouTube telling you how to do this. I'm telling you how to do this. I got the sauce. I do this every day. I've been doing YouTube every day for the past 7 years. Going on 8 years after this year. Every single day. I got 2,400 plus videos. That tells you right there, I'm doing this every day. So, talk to me. Get the course. Talk to me. Don't even think about it, because I know some of y'all, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to I'm going to wait and see what happens. See, if you like that, you're going to be just like the same way you is now next year. It ain't nothing going to never happen. At some point, you got to jump out the airplane, dog, and just take a dive, dog. That's what I did. At some point, you got to just take everything, just throw it away, and just take the little bit that you have and invest it into yourself and say, hey, you know what, God, if this is what you have for me, then I'm gonna do it. That's how I got here, y'all. Look, bro, I be free, bro. I'm out here, way out here in the West Coast in the desert, man. Dang. Bro, I'm way out here, boy, with the palm trees and stuff, bro. And guess what did that for me? YouTube. Okay? You can take this message and just think it's just a regular message, hey, and it don't mean nothing. All right. Okay. This time next year, I'm gonna be in another country. I'm gonna keep elevating off this. Okay, so again, I'm trying to get back to you so you can fall in the same path that I'm following in, because I don't want y'all to always be in the crowd, in the audience, in the bleachers. I want y'all to have your own mansions. I want y'all to have your own boats and have your own places y'all want to stay out here and stuff like that. It ain't all about me, y'all. It's about you. What you gonna do, man? Get the course. I'll be talking to you very soon, I hope. Peace.